Happiness eludes us if we run after it. In fact, happiness comes only from within. It is not a commodity to be bought from outside. First they ignore you, then they laughed at you, they fight you, then you win. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better than a yes merely uttered to please, or worse, to avoid trouble. Whatever you do will be insignificant, but it is very important that you do it. There is nothing that wastes the body like worry, and faith in God should be ashamed to worry about anything whatsoever. Love never asks, always giving. Love brings misery, but never bear a grudge, never avenge. Where there is love there is life, when hatred brought on extinction.